So for this problem, to find the derivative, then for this given, now take note that if we can simplify the given, so we need to simplify before finding the derivative. So this given becomes y then equals x to the power 2 then plus x to the power 4 then times e. And for this logarithm, so using the power property of logarithm, that n ln x, so this is equal to ln x to the power n. So this n becomes the exponent of x. So if we have negative 2 ln x, so this is equal to ln x to the power negative 2. So this becomes e to the power ln x to the power negative 2. Then we can still simplify this given. So we have y equals x to the power 2 then plus x to the power 4. So using the property of an exponential function, that e to the power ln x, so we can cancel e and ln, so this is equal to x. So for this, e to the power ln x to the power negative 2, so cancel e and ln, so this is equal to x to the power negative 2. So times x to the power negative 2. Then to simplify, so we have y equals x to the power 2 then plus. We can combine this x to the power 4 times x to the power negative 2. So if we have x to the power m times x to the power n, so this is equal to x. So we need to add now the exponent for the same base. So for this x to the power 4 times x to the power negative 2, so this becomes x, then 4 plus negative 2, and this 4 plus negative 2, this is equal to 2. So therefore, this is x to the power 4 times x to the power negative 2. So this is equal to x to the power 2. Then we have y equals, since these are like terms, so we can add the numerical coefficient. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. Then bring down the variable, so x to the power 2. Then we can find now the derivative using this equation. So the derivative of 2x squared, this is equal to 4x.